many benefits of Ardh Chandrasan. It helps reducing the fat on the lateral side of the body. So it provides inch loss at the waist area. It also stretches the lateral side muscles, which are intercostal muscles and external oblique muscles. It is also helpful in lower back pain, and it also improves blood flow towards your spine. So it is good in nervous disorders such as migraine, headache, Parkinson, anxiety, depression, stress, etc. So this pose is to be avoided in case of any major surgery or any other serious medical condition such as hypertension, arthritis of any joints. If one has to perform this pose, then one can take consent of their doctor or physician. So for Ardh Chandrasan, first of all, keep both your legs nearby each other on the mat. Now inhale, raise both your arms up into Namaskar. Now while exhaling, bend towards your left. Make sure that your ears are covered with your hands and keep your hands straight. Don't overbend. Maintain this pose for around 30 to 40 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Repeat on the other side. Inhale, raise your arms up into Namaskar. While exhaling, bend towards your right side. Maintain this side also for 30 to 40 seconds. Keep breathing normally. Make sure your ears are covered. Keep your hands straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax.